Why does your scanner show the P20BA engine code? What does it mean? P20BA is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant heater A control circuit performance. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a problem with the electrical circuit that controls the DEF reductant heater, which is designed to prevent DEF from freezing. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty reductant heater, reductant temperature sensor issues, wiring problems, PCM issues, diesel particulate filter issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in specifically Ford vehicles, such as the F-250 and F-350 Super Duty models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.